your salat what you have done nadr for here instead. And then he does another again. He does a manat again to pray in Al-Aqsa. And then when he does it again, the Prophet ﷺ said, okay, up to you. But it's a burden that you are taking on your own shoulders. Because if you do another of something in Islam, it is wajib that you fulfill that nadr. Whether it's to pray salah, to fast, to feed the poor, or any kind of good action, you have to do it lillah. Nadr lillah, you have to fulfill it. Why? Because that's the love of Al-Aqsa was etched into the hearts of these believers, of the Sahaba. It was the first Qibla. One Sahabiya in Medina, this is an event of Makkah, in Medina, she's called Maymuna bint Sa'ad, not Maymuna Zawjatul Nabi, the wife of the Prophet ﷺ, is another Maymuna. She says to Rasulullah ﷺ, in Medina, in a beautiful mosque which they are establishing in Medina, that she will pray 2 rakat in Al-Aqsa. And the Prophet ﷺ told her to pray here in the masjid instead. Pray here in Masjid al-Nabawi, and the rewards are actually higher in Masjid al-Nabawi than they are in Masjid al-Aqsa. We don't have the time to go through all the details of the various rewards. The point is that they loved the Masjid al-Aqsa so much that if they would take an oath, or if they would have a dream or a wish, it was to do what? To pray in Masjid al-Aqsa for all of the Sahaba. In fact, one of the great Sahaba and longest living Sahabi, his name is Anas bin Malik who served the Prophet for 10 years. And he lived a very long time, over 100 years old. And do you know how he would introduce himself as a moment of pride? If you were to be proud of one of the things that he had, he would say, I am the only Sahabi, the only person on this earth, alive in this world, mimma yabqa, who remains today, who prayed towards both of the qiblas. He prayed Sallal Qiblatayn, the one who prayed towards both of the qiblas. And that was the thing that he would tell people about if he wanted to express some achievement that he was really proud of, saying that I am the last remaining person that prayed towards both qiblas in Medina. So the fact that it's the first qibla is not just a historical event, it was something that was etched into the heart of the believers. I'll probably finish with this hadith. There's lots more we can say about the virtues of Al-Aqsa. And this hadith is beautiful. It's one of the proofs of prophecy. While you know that the Prophet ﷺ